today's topic, I want to discuss freebie marketing options for your book. If you want more readers, a great way to do that is to introduce yourself with a free book. So you present your prospects with a unique book that offers them the content they're looking for. Often that's going to be solving a problem, or if it's a fiction book, it's going to be a great short read. And then if they download it and read it, you can have a loyal customer for life. Now, a good freebie can be just a simple book that appeals to your target audience and gives them something that whets their appetite for either information, instruction, or entertainment. So it does not have to be long. I think a lot of times people get tripped up with this because they think they have to offer a 200 or 300 page book, and that's not necessarily the case. It can be a short piece of fiction, a short report, can even include supplemental material like checklists and things like that. So to leverage your free book, you really should back up your freebie with valuable content. So it needs to be valuable. It needs to be something that people would be happy to pay for. Inside, you should link to your author blog, if you have one, and social media channels. And you should use your free book as a bridge to paid offers. And I think one of the easiest and best ways to do that is to set up some type of opt-in list or incentive so they can join your list. So you could have your free book, and then at the beginning and or the end, you can include a link where they can get even more free stuff if they sign up. And then at that point, you can communicate with them via email and have it where you can offer them paid offers too. So a couple ways you can leverage free is with perma-free publishing. And what that is it's offering your book for free on all the major publishing venues. To do that, you would upload your book and sell it for free at Draft to Digital. Now, you can't do that on Amazon. You can ask them to price match your free book on other venues, and they may do that. You can also enroll your book in Kindle Unlimited. If you do that, or Kindle Select, I guess I should call it. If you do that, then it needs to stay exclusive with Amazon for that period, which is 90 days. That's just for your digital version of this. And you do get up to 5 free days. You can also go to sites like InstaFreebie and noisetrade.com and upload your book, and they will have it available for free to people on their site. And what's great about that is it can often integrate with getting people on your email list with that. And you can also do giveaways. Amazon allows you to give away books that you already have published on there, or you can run a giveaway yourself. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do this and leverage free. And just a great way to do that is to tie it into lead magnet publishing, where you're just not even offering the book for free unless they opt in. And that can be another way to do that as well, which will also build your list. So feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content profit tips, and you can find out how to create awesome one-page content that's great to give away for free at amyharrop.com/pages 1P offer, and that link will be below. Thanks.